It's your boy Shout Out 392. I'm back with another vlog. Got them toys out here today, y'all. Got that boy Johnny right here. Got that boy Bryson and Johnny. You see
what the fuck going on tonight, bro?
You got the one and only. Ooh, we got new whips out here, y'all. My boy showed up, hey, all three blood brothers. Y'all know about these three right here. Damn. This might done purple and everything. Look at this shit, y'all.
I'm going purple everything, bro.
Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Come on. What y'all say? Come on.
Come on. Come on.
He don't know how to act. He don't know how to. This might know how to act.
Still curved, my boy.
Hey,
it ain't low.
Bro, what's wrong with you, bro?
Okay, to be fair though, it is Chick-fil-A. So.
But he eat that shit on a day-to-day basis. He don't even act like an asshole about
If
it.
it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Oh, see, y'all playing games. Y'all playing with my food. See, I don't play by food, bro.
You act like you ain't never ate a day in your life.
Don't. Oh yeah, we have a food joke. You put the camera to that guy. I see how it is.
That ain't nothing to do with it.
I see how it is. I remember that.
That's not. Damn. Yeah, y'all see what's going on. These three just so damn tough. Y'all comment below which one's y'all favorite, the Charlie, burgundy scat, or the orange scat. Me personally, all three of these hoes hard. I ain't gonna hold you.
Oh, my bad, son.
No, you good, you good.
That's showing how to more Snapchat. I didn't know who he was.
Yeah, he happy he bought it.
Brandon and Moses.
It wouldn't be MPD if they wasn't on bullshit. You see what these folks be doing? They ain't got nothing better to do. See, that's what's wrong with Memphis PD now. They worry about the wrong shit.
Oh, he said that they pull up. They said that they
That was a good run, bro. They ain't gonna hold you.
Hey, I got you next time.
Hey, all I hear is, hey, I got reinforcements. Come get this nigga.
That was a good ass race though, bro.
Hey, he took off. I gotta give him his props. That motherfucker ain't nothing to sleep on. But that Shadow Hawk down game is something serious.
Yeah, Shadow was coming.
Did you?
What the fuck is that?
I popped it off.
You see that shit? Yeah, you see that shit?
You two see this shit.
Yeah, you see this shit?
They used to it.
I don't condone this.
You don't condone this. We've been doing this since the 60s.
Yeah, but
We true, hey, tell them, Los, we true to it, not new to it. Yes, sir! Alright, y'all, this is it for today's vlog. I hate we couldn't record the flame competition, the two-step competition, thanks to Mother Nature. This rain came out of nowhere, which that's out of my control. I can't control that. But nonetheless, we still find a way to have fun and have a good time. Now, I'm just glad to see my big cousin SRT Vino pop back out, because it's been a long time coming. It's been long overdue. But more videos coming soon, y'all. I'm finna try my best to stay consistent and drop every weekend. Try to at least. Like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the rest. I'm out. Gang.